Guys, oh, nahanap ko yung Ilonggo grill. Parang wala na yata. Tagal na panahon yun. 20 years ago. O 28. 1994? 95? 96? O 2000? 24 years, isn't it? Cannot find. I need to ask the security guard. I'm here inside the Glorieta 4. See, that's the green belt there, landmark. Can't believe it. Can't find it. So, noong panahon wala pa yung Yusinuya na yan. Piri-piri wala pa yan dito noong. Fat Coke wala pa yan. Dami ng pan. Nakapasok na dayuhan. Nahanap ko lang Ilonggo grill eh. Makakita ko ng security guard, tanong. Na-photo kaya yun? Ganda no? Oh, Popeyes oh. Wala eh. Balik na ako. Balik. Hanap ko ng security guard.